ग्रेटर नोएडा के इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट एंड सेंटर में भारत मोबिलिटी ग्लोबल एक्सपो 2025 की शुरुआत हो गई है। यह फेयर 22 जनवरी तक यहाँ चलेगा। इस फेयर में जेसीबी और स्विंग स्टेटर इंडिया एग्जिबिटर्स इको फ्रेंडली सस्टेनेबिलिटी फोकस्ड एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन इक्विपमेंट एंड भारत मोबिलिटी ग्लोबल एक्सपो 2025 में काफ़ी इसमें नए मॉडल लॉन्च किए गए।
Within a month of a big exhibition for us. But firstly, I wanted to tell that we brought none of the machines which we exhibited in that exhibition. Whatever you see here, it is completely new. And what we have done, none of them are in our regular production also, these machines. So here we are showcasing a different concept that in the country, be it Central Vista or Zedmore tunnel what was recently inaugurated, or talk about coastal road project or Trans-Harbour Link or expressways or metro projects, high-speed train. We are there in every project associated with our customer partners for whom we are supplying our machinery. But we have gone beyond that as a company which is demolition. When demolition happens, these demolished items, they just go to solid waste yards, and there is no big application for that yet. In principle, government believes that it should be recycled. Even they have made standard for that, but how much it is followed is a big question mark. As Swing we tied up with the IIT Madras, and then we came out with the study and how we can recycle the construction demolition waste back into production of concrete. So one of the product what we have displayed here, RM60, is that which does the job, where it makes the demolition waste back into aggregate, so you can produce again concrete. So this will bring down the the impact or the strain what it is creating on solid waste management yards, and so that it will be a responsible construction in future. I think 2029 the government would like 20 to 25% concrete to be made with the recycled aggregates. I think we are already geared up, and the products is standing in front of you. The other product what you have displayed is a wet concrete recycling plant. What happens here is the concrete produced, if it is in excess, and there is no application for that at that point of time. It is a perishable item. If you don't use it, it will get set. So this generally gets disposed, and responsible disposal is recycling, but at times people might just get rid of them. Getting rid of them mostly happens on water bodies, and it has a big impact on the groundwater resources of the nation anywhere, and it can leave the chemicals deep into the water, and again it comes as a bore water when you start using it. So we have a recycling plant, and this plant can convert the unused concrete back into aggregate and slurry, and the viability is very high. But it is a cultural issue and the mindset problem where people should be encouraged to use this as an option in the interest of the nation. And what is happening is in India, the land cost going to only go up and up. We have 1/3 of area of America and 4 times the population of America. So, and once the new projects come, expressway or metro road, the land value goes up. Land value goes up. I think people from Bombay can understand easily. The 4-6-story building will become a 15-story or 20-story building. So what we do with the construction and demolition waste? So this is where we are coming out with the solution, promoting the solution along with the product. So customers and the country can, as a nation, we can get benefited by getting rid of them in a very responsible way by recycling. The other interesting product, what you see here is on the recycling. Recycling is a wastewater recycling. we have a sludge pump here. What it does is, when wastewater is recycled, you get sludge. This sludge is a material which stings a lot because it comes from the human waste, everything. So it is the normal way is to sun dry them, and then the whole area also again smells. So that is a normal way, and there are other applications using it as a feed for reactors and all, but not very well developed in all across the nation. When you talk about cleaning of our water bodies, dumping them with the only good quality water, or in the water treatment plant using 100% of the water back for other uses, the sludge production is going to go up. So we have a solution on converting the sludge into biomanure. So this is an established process which is very popular in USA, Europe, and even in China. But in India, such demonstration has not happened. We are in the final stage of convincing one of the city corporations to put up this plant on a trial basis. So once it is successful, all the cities, with whatever is the size, the wastewater which are flowing through the underground disposal system can treat them and recover the water. Water is also becoming a scarce resource for India. So those water can be reused for many applications. And if I have to say this, in Singapore they use it for drinking water also. So to that extent, water saved is, actually meets our requirement of water requirement to the growing population. So that is the third product what you have displayed here. And the fourth one what you have got here is a fire pump. This fire pump is interesting because it is a concrete pump which has become a fire pump. Now, if you talk about Mumbai Fire Brigade and Delhi, both of them started using them as a firefighting machinery. And as I speak to you, in Kumbh Mela, UP government is using 3 of them as a standby machines in case of any calamity, they would like to use it. And UP has come as one of the state with the initiative to buy this type of machine. The biggest advantage of using a concrete boom pump for firefighting application is when the city is very dense and the buildings are very close. The telescopic booms cannot reach in one direction. So some maneuverability is required to go around the building and reach the spots. And these boom pumps are very good in that. So it is getting a good traction, and we are hopeful that other state governments also see the performance and then they also come forward and buy them. And we have many metropolitan cities, and we also have Amrut cities, all of them require them. So this is a new product which we have launched here. And the last and the most important product.
Our product philosophy is to ensure that the customers who are using our machines, with every new launch, it becomes easier, more remunerative, and better as we move along. So the theme for all our product development has been better today and an even better tomorrow. So that's the basic theme we follow. Areas which we will be really focusing upon, if you look at it, 5 key areas. One, of course, is our commitment to environment. So reduce the carbon footprint, reduce the PM emissions. The second is to actually reduce the fuel consumption so that it becomes more profitable for our customers, plus besides reducing the carbon footprint. The third area which we've seen with a lot of passenger cars and commercials, which we went into the next range of emissions, that region was the biggest challenge, and we've done something unique which nobody in the industry has done, which according to us will be a big game changer and will make life very simple and smooth for our customers. And of course, these machines have been tested for more than 200,000 hours before we are putting them in the hands of the customer to ensure that they have a very smooth experience and they get a good, reliable, durable product in their hands. So key areas, total cost of ownership, with every emission norm, the cost goes up. There's nothing much which you can do about it. But we focus on reducing the maintenance cost, the fuel consumption. So the total cost of ownership for the customer actually comes down when we move to this thing. So it becomes even more profitable to use the new technology for our customers. As I said, these machines have been through trials, tests, validation, 200,000 hours plus. So they're extremely reliable and durable, and you can go for a smooth operation. The last thing a customer wants is actually a breakdown on his machine, so he can run it trouble-free. We also look with the new engine that we have remote diagnostics. So should you have a problem, the dealership at his dealership understands what the issue is. So he goes equipped with the part rather than going to the site, checking out what the problem is, then ordering the part and coming back. There is remote diagnostics. You can figure out what the problem is and fix the machine problem much faster. This is again first in the industry, very unique. Nobody else has done this. We continue to go digital, so we have the dashboards which give you the health of the machine, the different alerts, and those alerts through telematics reach the owner also through your mobile, so you can look at it besides looking at it, the dashboard of the machine. And of course these machines are more productive with a lower fuel consumption, making them more efficient and more productive for our customers. So a quick look at the wheel machines which we are launching today, a national launch. 5 backhoe loaders which are on display, which will be launched, the stage 5 backhoe loaders, 3 models of telehandlers, 3 models of wheel loaders, and then we've got the skid steer models and the compactors, all come with the revised emission norm for stage 5. So what technology do we use to achieve our end goal? So we've gone in for a variable displacement pump which improves the efficiency of the machine, and part of the fuel efficiency which comes is because of that. A lot of our customers are into the rental business. They don't want a very high production. They look at fuel consumption being more economical. So we have provided 2 modes, which is a power mode. If you're using it for your own use, you want high production. But if you're using it on a rental basis, you can use the economy mode, so burn less fuel. And so it will actually depend on the site conditions. Then we have different modes to give you more efficiency, like the loading mode and the loading mode. We provide Bluetooth stereo, and we have the Guide Me Home feature, which is pretty unique in the industry. Plus, one more feature which we have, as I said, have introduced is the remote diagnostics, which actually will bring down your downtime for the machine and make it more productive. So I'll take you through some of the key products. The first product, if you look at backhoe loaders, 5 products, the 3DX to the 3DX Super and in the 4DX. The focus, as I said, has been on a total cost of ownership, fuel efficiency, and safety and comfort of the operator.
As per the emission norms, nobody can produce those old models after 31st of December. And there are different strategies. Some people have created a stock of old machines and old models which they want to give the customer. We at JCB for last 2 years have been working on this product. We have never tested and validated a product more than what we have done. Almost 2 lakh hours of testing and validation has been carried out right from Leh Ladakh. Our machines are certified to operate in Leh Ladakh in that condition. Across India, they have been certified across different applications, different fuel standards that we have, these machines. So we are absolutely ready. So what our dealers are now selling are all stage 5 machines with the latest technology, with the latest benefit. And let me tell you, compared to old machines, this machine will have better resale value. So we are adding more value to the customer.
What about the spare parts of the previous models? Up to what years you will be?
So normally the industry practice is 10 years. So that we always support, and that support will always continue. JCB has construction equipment's largest network of warehouses, and we are known for actually supporting our customers. And many times the customer comes 1995 की मशीन है मेरे पास, हम उनको भी मना नहीं करते, हम उनको भी support कर लेते हैं. And this is our strength. This is one of the biggest. सामने एक प्रश्न पूछा कि differentiator. One of the biggest differentiator that JCB has is we have got 65 dealers across India who have more than 5,500-6,000 engineers who support our customers. And that is one of our biggest strength. Yes, please.
जैसे कि आपने बताया कि आपने आपकी बार वो एफिशिएंसी और इकोनॉमी मोड लॉन्च किया है, पावर मोड। अगर हम किसी मशीन को पावर मोड में यूज़ कर रहे हैं और उसी मशीन को हम इकोनॉमी मोड में यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो उसकी कैपेबिलिटी में भी फर्क पड़ेगा या फ्यूल इकोनॉमी ही बस कम होगी? आपके
प्रश्न में ही उत्तर है। जब आप इकोनॉमी चाहते हैं, आप इकोनॉमी मोड में यूज करिए, मगर कुछ एप्लीकेशन में जहां आपको थ्रस्ट ऑफ पावर चाहिए, पावर मोड में, इसके लिए हमने अलग अलग किया है कि ताकि अगर कस्टमर को एप्लीकेशन ऐसा नहीं है जहां पावर मोड यूज करना हो और अगर उसी में यूज करता जाए तो उसकी फ्यूल एफिशिएंसी कम हो जाएगी। So we have given this, and what JCB is doing is when the machine is taken by the customer जब नई मशीन खरीदते हैं हम उनको पूछते हैं कि आप किस एप्लीकेशन में यूज करने वाले हैं और उनको बकायदा हम ट्रेनिंग देते हैं ताकि जहाँ पावर की जरूरत है वहाँ पावर में यूज करें, जहाँ इकोनॉमी की जरूरत है वहाँ इकोनॉमी में यूज करें. So we have given a flexibility.
Sir, how you are looking on the EV, because government is promoting EV machines, but JCB I have not really seen that the JCB coming with loader or back loader. Why? What is holding you to coming up with the JCB?
So it's a good question. We should do what the customer wants. Today we have got technology for EV. You see the first mini excavator we have here. Across we have got 19 ranges of EV machines. But today that infrastructure which government is pushing is more on the urban infrastructure point of view. Our machines, हमारी मशीन, मैं पिछले कुछ दिन पहले मैं मेघालय में शिलोंग में मैं गया था. हमारे मशीन कहाँ यूज होता है? जहाँ सड़कें नहीं बनी है, प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना, जहाँ जल से नल, जहाँ पानी नहीं पहुंचा है, रूरल housing projects. So these are the projects where you don't see an EV location. Once the infrastructure is ready to have electric dispenser at that location. We are at JCB delighted to launch our latest range of stage 5 ready machines for our customers. This is in line with the government's vision on cutting down pollution, better emission standards, and also focus on improving or reducing the use of fossil fuel. I'm very pleased that our engineers have worked very hard on creating this new range of machines, which have the fuel efficiency between 10 to 15% improvement on the previous versions, better productivity, better maintenance, lesser maintenance cost. But the most important part is the total cost of ownership of these machines is lower than the previous models. And from the pricing point of view also, we have kept it so competitive that compared to any of the emissions standard change in the past, this time we have the lowest increase in the cost. So overall, this is going to put more money back into the pocket of a customer for every hour of use of this machine. In addition to it, we have also looked from the safety point of view. You know, there's a lot of debate on the road safety aspect. The safety of an operator is equally important when they operate these machines. We have given the ROPS/FOPS cap, which keeps the operator safe in case the machine topples for some use. Also, from the ease of operation, the cabins have less noise, so you know the operators sit in this environment for hours together, so the operators will feel more comfortable. Also, from the technology point of view, when we go into the stage 5 level, the regeneration, etc., creates a lot of challenges for the customer. And that is why our engineers have come up with a remote diagnostic tool, because of which the customer does not have to wait for a service engineer to come to the machine. Sitting in the dealership or at JCB HQ, we can modify, and this will really benefit our customer because it will improve the uptime of the machine. So overall, if I look at it, the machine gives better fuel efficiency, better productivity, lower maintenance cost, lower total cost of ownership, and जैसे पहले कहते थे कि the noise is less, तो machine आवाज़ ही नहीं करता. So a lot of benefits for our customer. The other benefit is that we have trained more than 5,500 engineers across all our dealerships. So the quality of service that the dealers will be able to offer to our customers will be much better. So overall, a fantastic opportunity for our customers. Different machines. You saw that on a 455 wheel loader, it's almost 18.5 lakh rupees saving, which is 30% of the cost of the machine. The second bit is, as the technology has improved, the resale value of the product will improve. So that will again add to the benefit of the customer. And that is why I know there are different strategies. I know of people who have produced older technology machines before 31st of December and they are stocking those machines. I feel it is wrong. The customer deserves to receive the new machine with the new technology, with a better technology, and with the lower cost. I think that is what is the responsibility of OEMs, to give the latest technology to the customer. And beyond all these things, we also have our responsibility to the nation, that we need to launch machines with technology where the consumption of fossil fuel is on the lower side. So between 10 to 15%, it's a huge advantage, but also benefiting the environment from the sustainability point of view.
Are they
almost 500 of them.
already?
So they are ready for use. Mention also that we have tested this machine more than 2 lakh hours across India for last 2 years. So not done, but more importantly, when we put these machines in hands of our customers, they give us feedback, and we learn a lot. We are always grateful to our customers who give us feedback. Very अगर मैं हिंदी में कहूँ तो इतनी बारीक फीडबैक देते हैं क्योंकि उनके लिए ये ऑफिस है, तो कस्टमर इतनी फीडबैक देते हैं और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी that because of their feedback, our engineers have tweaked and have improved the machines.